Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to this quick how-to video setting up your Chess Cloud Voice phone. Let's jump to it.
Okay, so this is your phone that you have been sent. It is a Yealink W73P, which is indicated on the side of the box. The first thing we need to do is to lift up the flap on the front of the box, and as you can see, we have a base station, a handset. If we lift up this cardboard insert, underneath we will have a Ethernet cable, a docking station for the phone, 2 power cords, a stand for the base station, a battery, a cover for the back of the phone, and a clip for the phone. Okay, now that we've unboxed all that, we have 2 sections. We have the base parts and we have the decked phone parts. So we don't need the decked phone parts for now, so we're just going to move them to one side and we're just going to focus on the base parts for this part of the video. What we need to do is pick up the base, and on the back you can see there are 2 ports. There is an Ethernet port and a DC adapter port. What we need to do is take the Ethernet cable and plug that into the Ethernet port on the back of the base station, and then take the power cable and plug that into the DC port on the back of the base, as you can see here. Then we take the stand, and it's a bit awkward, but what you need to do is just move it around the back of the cables, push it over, and then click it into place like so, and then you're all done. So now that we've built the base station, we just need to plug it into the router. So to do that, take the Ethernet cable and just pick up the back of the router here, and you just plug it into one of the LAN ports located on the back. Helpfully, the LAN ports on the back of the router in this case are yellow, but don't worry if they're not. Just plug it into a LAN port on any router and it will do the same thing. The next thing we need to do is to take the power cable and plug that into a main socket, and once you have done that, you'll see that the lights start to come on, and to wait for the network light to go solid green, and as you can see here it's blinking and now solid, which means it's got internet. The first thing we need to do is to build the phone charger. So we pick up the cradle and the power cable and flip the cradle over, and you will see that there is a DC port just located in the back. You connect the cable and then plug the other end of the cable into your mains. Okay, so now we're going to build the phone. What we need is to pick up the phone itself, turn it over, and we're going to connect the clip first. So this just has some grooves on the side of the phone, which enables us to just push it into one side, then go around the other side and then just click it into place. The next thing we need to do is install the battery, making sure that the copper bits on the end of the battery line up with the copper bits in the back of the phone. You just push the phone battery straight in and then clip it into place. Now we need to install the cover, and we just slide the cover onto the back and just click it into place firmly, and the phone will start to boot up and initialize straight away. As you can see on the base, there is a 3rd light now, which indicates that it can see the phone, and the phone will start to upgrade immediately after this. While the phone is upgrading, it's worth plugging it onto the cradle to charge so that it doesn't get interrupted during the upgrade process.
It's as easy as that. It's important to remember that once the phone has been powered on and it's started up for the first time, that you leave it to do its upgrade process. This can take about 15 minutes. So it's important that you don't interrupt that. Okay, so once it's all done, it should be logged in and ready to go. If you have any problems during this install process, please do not hesitate to contact Chess. Thanks.